Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, I come to you today to show you guys this Amazon greenhouse. Check it out. It has been demolished by the wind. So, and if you guys can see here, I have cinder blocks. I had bricks all the way around here, and you can see the brick is actually still on the bottom of the frame. I'm gonna tell you what happened. These pieces right here, they just slide in. Show you these pieces, they just slide in. So what happened when the wind came right apart. See that? It came right apart. But where I put the bricks still remain. So this is just a very cheaply made greenhouse. I spent over 80 bucks, including taxes and all that stuff, for this greenhouse. And this is not something that I would recommend you guys on buying. So save your money, save up your money, and get you a good sturdy greenhouse. This is not where it's at, people. Do not get this greenhouse. As you guys can see, it is a disaster. I did manage to save some of my stuff. This my poor little fig tree right here. Fortunately, they're still living. So my poor tomatoes, these tomatoes done been through it, guys. Y'all just don't know. But I just want y'all to see the damage that was done. And I had bricks all the way around this thing. You can see the cinder block is still here. So what happened, it just came right up out of these little connections. The connections right here. The wind was so strong, it just went whoo. And we didn't have no tornado or hurricane. This is just regular wind that we be having out here every year. So this here greenhouse is a no-go. Look at my plant. That's my poor Cosmo down there. Dead. Grew that from a seed. So yeah, I was hoping that this greenhouse was going to work out, but it didn't, people. So do not spend your money on this greenhouse. Please save your money up and get you a decent one, or build you one, because that's what I'm going to be doing next. So you guys stay tuned for that video. I will be building me a sturdy greenhouse. So thank you all for watching, and until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye.